Namaste. This is M. Meghna Reddy of Kendriya Vidyalaya Gutti wishing you all a happy International Yoga Day. Padahastasana. Stand in Samasthiti and slowly raise your arms up as you breathe in. Maintain the stretch and bend forward, bringing your hands to the ground as you breathe out. Place your palms on back of your legs. This posture gives a good stretch to the entire spine and provides an improved flow of blood to the upper part of the body. When ready, breathe in and come up to the standing pose Samasthiti. Trikonasana. Stand in Samasthiti, place your feet 2 to 3 feet apart and stretch the arms to the sides so that they are pulling the chest in opposite directions. Turn to the right side and slowly bring the right hand down to the right foot and place the palm of right hand on the ground in front of right foot. Look up at the middle finger of left hand. Release and come back up to the open arm position. And then do opposite side by placing your left hand down in front of left foot. When ready, slowly come back up to the Samasthiti. And relax now. Vrikshasana. Bring the right foot to the left thigh. Keep your hands in Namaskara Sthiti and stretch your arms up. Stay calm, maintain balance. Slowly bring your hands in front of your chest and put your right leg down. Repeat the same of the other side. It helps to improve body balance and gives your body the optimum posture. Slowly put your hands and legs down. Stand in Samasthiti. Relax. Sarvangasana. Lie down in Savasana. Breathe in and lift both legs at a time. Continue the upward motion and lift your back off the ground using both arms to support the lower back. Release the posture after 10 to 15 seconds. Sarvangasana stimulates endorphin system and especially good for thyroid gland. Those suffering from neck problems must avoid Sarvangasana. Halasana. From Savasana, lift both legs up towards the sky as you breathe. Take the legs over the head until the toes touch the ground beyond the head. Do not bend the knees. Stretch the arms out behind the back. Breathe slowly while concentrating on the healthy pressure at the throat region. Release the posture after 10 to 15 seconds. Relax. Balasana. Sitting on your heels, take a deep breath, exhale and bend forward. Stretch as much as possible. The arms can be overhead with your palms on the floor. It helps to improve body balance and gives your body the optimum posture. Relax. Shavasana. Line spine on the ground, enabling your body to be in alignment with the Earth's magnetic field. Make sure that your head and body are in straight line while your hands are kept relaxed by your side with the palms facing upward. Bring your feet together and then let your feet fall away into a V shape with your heels. Concentrate on your breath. Savasana is a relaxing and energizing posture in which the body, emotions and mind controls. Thank you and have a nice day.